In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image and text side by side in Webflow. Open Webflow, then hover over your project and click Open in Webflow. Wait for the designer to load fully. You'll see the blank canvas in the center, the toolbar on the left, and the Style panel on the right. That's the workspace where this layout will be built. Click the Add Elements icon at the top left. Under Structure, drag a section onto the canvas. Keep the section selected. On the right side, at the top of the Style panel, click into the Selector field and enter a class name for this section. After that, scroll down to Spacing. Add 60 pixels of padding to the top, then 60 pixels to the bottom. This gives the section the vertical space needed for the layout. Click the Add Elements icon again. Under Basic, drag a div block into the section. Check that it is placed inside the section and not outside it. You can confirm that in the Navigator. With this div block selected, go back to the Selector field and type the class name Image Text Row. This div block will act as the parent container for both the image and the text. Now add the image. Click the Add Elements icon again. Use the search field and type Image. Drag the image element into the Image Text Row, div block. When the Upload popover appears, click Choose Image. In the Assets panel, click the Upload icon at the top right, then select your sample image. Wait for the upload to finish, then click the uploaded image in Assets. The image now appears inside the div block. Next, add a wrapper for the text content. Click the Add Elements icon. Drag another div block into the Image Text Row container. Make sure it is placed after the image, so it appears to the right of the image in the Navigator. Keep this new inner div block selected, then go to the Selector field and type Text Wrapper. Click the Add Elements icon again. Under Typography, drag a heading element into the text wrapper, div block. Double-click the heading on the canvas and type your sample headline. Say the words naturally as you enter them, so the text has time to appear on screen. Once the heading is in place, click the Add Elements icon one more time. Drag a paragraph element into the text wrapper, placing it below the heading. Double-click the paragraph and type a short description. Enter the full sentence at a normal pace, so the paragraph can be added clearly inside the wrapper. At this stage, the image and the text wrapper are still stacked one above the other. That is the default layout. The next change will place them side by side. In the Navigator on the left, click the Image Text Row div block to select the parent container again. Go to the Style panel on the right. In the Layout section, change Display to Flex. As soon as Flex is enabled, more flex controls appear. Set Direction to Horizontal by clicking the right pointing arrow. Then set the X alignment to left, so the items stay grouped on the left side. Set the Y alignment to center, which vertically centers the items along the middle axis. Now the image and the text wrapper sit next to each other on the canvas. Click the image on the canvas to select it. In the Style panel, find the Size section. Set the width to 400 pixels. Then set the height to auto so the image keeps its original aspect ratio instead of stretching. After that, go back to the Navigator and select the parent Image Text Row div block again. In the Layout section, find Gap and enter 40 pixels. This creates the spacing between the image and the text wrapper. At this point, the core layout is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now preview the result. Click the Preview Play icon in the top right toolbar. On the preview canvas, confirm that the image is on the left and that the heading and paragraph are on the right. Also confirm that the text content is vertically centered beside the image. Once that looks correct, click the play icon again to exit preview and return to the designer. Your layout now shows an image on the left with a heading and paragraph on the right, both aligned in a single horizontal flex row with 40 pixels of space between them.